Just like Uber disrupted taxis, mobile phones disrupted telephones, cream disrupted biscuits, a 1000cc German disrupted two wheels back in 2010. While others were inching towards an increase in HP by 1 or 2, BMW dropped a bomb with the S1000RR. The S1000RR was like a diamond in a gold mine. After a decade-long wait of tweaking and changing things, it's finally time. BMW is giving us the all-new 2020 S1000RR. And just like then, is this the bike to beat? And let me reiterate, this isn't all new like in a press release. This is all new, from the engine to the chassis to the wheels and everything in between.
Allow me to explain.
BMW even got rid of the asymmetric design to make things look normal. It still looks very much a BMW because of this M Sport color scheme, but the dimensions look way smaller. Credit that to the all-new chassis and the neat little subframe. So what sits inside this chassis is an all-new 999cc inline-4 motor which is producing 207 HP and 113 Newton meters of torque. We all know that inline-4 motors are peaky with most of their power kept right on top. But what BMW have actually done is that they have gotten in their shift cam technology.
BMW's shift cam is a two-stage variable valve timing, not dissimilar in nature to the VVA on the R15 V3 or the Suzuki GSX-R 1000. It allows BMW to offer lots of torque at low and mid revs as well as the usual 4-cylinder range closer to the red line.
You know, with emission norms kicking in, motorcycles tend to put on a bit of weight. But the 2020 S1000RR has managed to shed a few kilos.
It loses 11 kilos over the outgoing model with a lighter crankshaft being the hero.
What we are riding today is the top of the line M Sport variant, which loses about 4 kilos more than the standard, all thanks to carbon wheels, a lighter battery and a different seat. The two things that I really want to talk about are the brakes and the suspension. Gone are the Brembos to be replaced by Hayes, and the Sachs unit has been replaced by Marzocchi. Dynamic damping control, which is the electronic suspension from BMW, is available only on the Pro and the M variant, not on the standard. It is the bike's ability to understand, adapt and evolve according to the road conditions. As far as braking goes, the Hayes setup feels very progressive and lacks that initial bite. In the braking department of liter class motorcycles, I still feel the Stylema from Brembos are the ones to beat. What about electronics, the cream on the top? What remains standard for all three variants is traction control and ABS, but the Pro and the M Sport variant get launch control, slide control, a bit limiter for track days, and a cruise control as well. When we talk about competition, Ducati last year brought to us an absolutely loco V4. But then Aprilia got together and lobbed an absolute grenade with the 1100 RS V4, a motorcycle that I'm yet to ride. Now don't get me wrong, I know I haven't spoken of Japanese inline-4 motorcycles, but with where the 2020 S1000RR sits, it just sits in a very European space with all the specs, with all the tech and with all the power that it has. BMW with the S1000RR are trying to slipstream and take that #1 spot. And here's the thing, the 2020 Beamer is an absolute missile on the track, there's no two ways about it. But with the shift cam technology, the not so aggressive ergos, the roomy, comfy seat, I am ready to bet all of my life's belongings that this is going to be a very good motorcycle outside the racetrack as well. In a nutshell, the 2020 S1000RR is linear, predictable, easy to work with, and does not induce a heart attack. Pricing for the standard S1000RR starts at 18.5 lakh rupees and it goes up to 22.95 lakh rupees for the M Sport variant, this particular variant.
Nobody else in India at 23 lakh rupees offers carbon wheels, which is an absolute delight for people who seek agility and performance in their ride. And even for the entry-level standard variant, the BMW is a sweet upgrade for people venturing into the liter class segment.
For now, this is it from the Daddy Beamer and you're from the Budh International Circuit. I hope you enjoyed watching this. And like always, my name is Arun Painter and I will see you later.